All right, so here's a look at this workbench. This is going to be a utility workbench that can hold up to about 2,000 pounds. So if you're going to be using this in the garage or in a workspace where you're going to be using heavy equipment on top of here, this will hold it. So the wood table up on the top is very sturdy. You can see it's basically a big heavy wooden plank, and then down here at the bottom is going to be the metal pieces that puts it all together, and these are all made out of steel, and that's how this is able to hold that much weight. Now down at the bottom it's going to have these wheels, which I love these wheels because they're kind of like a rollerblade wheel. So if I kind of unhook these here, you'll see I'll turn the locks off. And even in our backyard here where we've got a bunch of pavers, it's nice and easy for me to move this around. Even though it's like kind of bumpy back here, it's great because I could just move this around even with this heavy pizza oven up here on top. So if you're going to be using this for a workstation and you're going to have a bunch of heavy equipment on here, you should be able to move it around no problem. This could also be used for other things as well. So right now we've got it on the highest height, and this works great for our pizza oven. Makes it nice and easy for us to grab the pizza kind of at chest level right here. But if you're going to be using this, like I said, maybe in an office situation, then you might want to lower it down. So I think this goes 25 inches or 30 inches at the lowest, and then about 40 inches up here at the highest. So you could use this for either a standing desk, a sitting desk, or if you need something in between, there's a bunch of notches on the side that you can adjust this up and down. Now I'll also use this in the garage sometimes, and I've got this stool, so it's basically like a workbench stool. I could easily just put this here and I can utilize it sitting at the highest height as well. So again, more options for how you could actually use this workbench. Now putting it together was relatively easy. You're gonna see that this top wooden piece is all one piece. You got these side bars right here, and then you've got the legs down here on the side. These will all attach with Allen screws, and they'll also provide you with like an Allen wrench as well. Plus the wheels on the bottom, those are just gonna pop into place and then they'll stick and stay there with the weight of the workbench. Now since we're going to be using this for our pizza oven, we're not going to need this, but it does come with this plug outlet as well. So you can see it's going to have 4 different plugs. They're also going to be the 3-prong, which is very necessary, especially for people who are going to be using power equipment, like power tools. And then it's also going to provide these 2 USBs, and those are going to plug in over here. So you can easily just attach this over here on the side. It'll come with 2 screws that will hook onto right there, and then this will stay into place. The cable on here is relatively long. I think it's about 6.5 feet, but I would probably just recommend getting an extension cable on here, attaching this cable over here onto the side, and that way you've got even more mobility of moving this around. So if you've got a larger space and you just want to make sure that the power is plugged in at all times, you can move this around with an extension cable. The design of it is really nice. It's got a nice light wood texture to it, which I think will go good in pretty much anybody's garage or workspace. So if you're looking for a really good workbench, something that's going to be sturdy, hold up to about 2,000 pounds, and allow you to be mobile, I would definitely recommend picking this up.